Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for Pythagoras theorem. Let's look at number 1. So we need to work out for the unknown side of this triangle. So the Pythagoras is the hypotenuse. We call the longest line, and then a squared plus b squared. So first, let's state where is the longest line or the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse always opposite with the right angle, and as the longest line. So this is the x. So we can write it like x squared equal to, okay, can be a and b. So 4 squared plus 3 squared. So x squared equal to 16 plus 9. So x squared equal to 25. X equal to square root of 25. So x equal to 5. Or we can directly from here, let's try it. So this is the longest line, the hypotenuse x. So let's make it c equal to square root of a squared plus b squared. A, this is b. So square root of 15 squared plus 8 squared. So this is square root of, we got 15. So 15 squared is 200. 25 plus 64 is c equal to square root of 289. Or this x equal to 17. Next for the c. Okay, this is the longest line, hypotenuse. So we can make it 13 squared equal to y squared plus 5 squared. So this is 13. Yeah, 13 squared is 169 equal to y squared plus 25. So y squared equal to 169 minus by 25, which is 144. So y equal to square root of 144. So this y equal to 12. Next for D. The longest line is here. So we will make it 26 squared equal to x squared plus 24 squared. So 24 squared is 576, and then we got 26 squared is 676. So x squared, we got it 676 minus by 576, which is 100. So x equal to square root of 100, or x equal to 10. So this is equal to 10. Next for E. Let's state the hypotenuse was 1.2. So 1.2 squared equal to y squared plus by 0.5 squared. So 0.5 squared is 0.25, and then we got it 1.2 squared is 1.44. So y squared is 1.44 minus by 0.25. So this will be 1.19. So y equal to square root of 1.19. So this y equal to 1.09. Y 1.09. Next for F. So state the hypotenuse is here. So the hypotenuse is 0.6 squared equal to x squared plus by 0.4 squared. So let's find out 0.4 squared. So x squared plus by 0.16. So we got 0.6 squared. Should be 0.36. So x squared equal to 0.36 minus by 0.16, which will give us the answer 0.2. So we'll find it square root of 0.2. So this x equal to 0.2. So the x is equal to 0.45. Okay, now is G, hypotenuse is 11. So 11 square equal to x square plus 7 square. This is 121 equal to x square plus 49. So x square equal to 121 minus by 49. 121 minus by 49. So this is gonna be 72. So x equal to square root of 72. So x, this will give us the answer of 8.49 centimeter for the x. Now is y. Where's the longest line or the hypotenuse is here, opposite of the right angle. So we can proceed. 7.3 square equal to y square plus 4 square. So y square plus 16. So 7, let's find it. 7.3 square is 53.29. So y square equal to 53.29 minus by 16. So this is 37.29. So y equal to square root of 37.29. So y equal to 6.11 centimeter. Okay, find the length of the side marked with the letter in each figure. Okay, first step, let us find here this side, this length. So the opposite, so this is the hypotenuse of the first triangle. So we can make it h. So h equal to square root of 70 square plus by 80 square. So 70 square is 4,900 plus by 64,000. 6400 plus 4,900. So the h is square root of 11,300. So let's find it. What is square root of 11,300? So the h will be 106.3. Okay, we got it here. H is 106.3. Let's find it the length of x. So the opposite of right angle is hypotenuse. So we got hypotenuse is 120 square equal to x square plus 106.3. Or let us make it too easy. Just keep it version. Yeah, here. So h is square root of 11,300. So this is the hypotenuse. So 120 square equal to x square plus by 11,000, and we make it square. So let's find it. 120 square is 14,400 equal to x square plus by square root. If we make it square root again, so that is gonna be the number inside the square root. This is 11,300. Okay, so 11,300. So x squared equal to 14,400 minus by 11,300, which is 3,100. So x is square root of 300. Okay, square root of 3,1. 0. So this x will give us answer of 55.7 millimeter unit. Next for here B. So what we got here, okay, this is equal, so this gonna be 8.2. Okay, let us find it this length first. Okay, let's make it as x. So this is the hypotenuse 20, so 20.2 square equal to x square plus here 8.2 plus 8.2 is gonna be 16.4 square. So x square equal to this, we got 20.2, we make it square is 408.04 minus by, we got 16.4, we make it square, it's gonna be 268.96. So the x equal to square root of 408.04 minus by 268.96. Okay, so the x is square root of 139.08. Okay, let's find the y. This is the hypotenuse, so y square equal to x square plus 8.2 square. So x square we got is square root of 139.08. We make it square, and here is 8.2 square is 67.24. So the y square equal to 139.08 plus by 67.24. So addition 139.08. Okay, so the y equal to square root of 206.32. So the y, this is equal to 14.4. Okay, let's proceed. First, let us find this y. So if this is right angle, okay, the hypotenuse is 6. So 6 squared equal to y squared plus 4 squared. So y equal to square root of 6 squared is 36 minus by 4 squared is 16. So y equal to square root of 20. Okay, we got it. This is the hypotenuse z. So z equal to square root of 20 square plus by square root of 8 square. So z equal to square root of 25 plus 8. So z equal to, we got 25 plus 8 is 33. So square root of 33, so z equal to 5.29 4 centimeter. This is also centimeter. Okay, next. Before we find x, we need to know this length. So this hypotenuse. So this is y. So 13 square equal to y square plus 5 square. So y equal to square root of 13 square minus 5 square. So 13 is 169 minus by 25. So 169 minus by 25. So this is 144. So y is 12. Okay, we got it. This y is 12. This is the hypotenuse. So 12 square equal to x square plus 5 square. So x equal to 12 is 144 minus by 25. So x equal to square root of minus by 25 is 119. So x for D equal to 10.9 millimeter. Okay. Next question. So if 12, so this is equal, so this is 6, and 6. Let's find it out, this angle, this side, so this hypotenuse. So 9 square equal to, let's make it x square plus by 6 square. So x square equal to 9 square is 81 minus by 6 square is 36. So x equal to square root of 81 minus by 36, which is 45. Okay, so this is square root of 45. The hypotenuse, let's make it z. So z equal to square root of 45 square plus by 6 square. So this is 45 plus 36. So z equal to square root of 81. So z equal to 9. So this is 9. Hypotenuse is y. So we can work out here y equal to square root of 16, we make it square, plus by 9 square. So it's gonna be 16 plus 81 y. So y equal to 97. So y square root of 97 is gonna be 9.85 centimeter. Okay, proceed for F. Okay, we got two sides at least. So this is the hypotenuse. We need to find this x side. So hypotenuse 15 square equal to x square plus 9 square. So we will rearrange with x equal to 15 square. 15 square is 225 minus by 81. So x equal to 144. So x equal to 12. Okay, this is equal to 12. Okay, this hypotenuse. Let's make it y. So y equal to square root of 12 square plus by 5 square. So this is 144 plus by 25. So this square root of 169. So y equal to 13. Okay, this is 13. This hypotenuse. So 16 square equal to 13 square plus by z square. So z square equal to square root of z equal to 16 square minus by 13 square. So this 169. So 16 square is 256. So z equal to square root of 256 minus by 169, which is 87. So square root of it square root of 87, this equal to 9.33 centimeter. Okay, number 3, determine whether each following is right angle or no. Okay, all of them in centimeter. Okay, the longest line is 10. So let's check it. Is it 10 square equal to 7 square plus 8 square? So this is 100 equal to 49 plus by 64. Yeah, 100 is not equal with 49 plus by 64. This is 113. So this is not a right angle. Let's check it. The longest line is here, 15. So 15 square, is it equal with 12 square plus 9 square? So let's find it out. So 15 square is 225. Is it equal to 144 plus by 81? So 144 plus 81. Yeah, this is equal. So 225 equal to 225. Okay, so this is yes. Check it for C. The longest line is 11. So 11 square is equal to 9 square plus 8 square. So this is 121 equal to 81 plus 64. Okay, so 121 is not equal to, this is 5, 6 and 8 is 149. So this is no. Next here. Okay, hypotenuse 13 square equal to 12 square plus 5 square. So 169 equal to 144 plus 25. So 169 equal to 169. Okay, so this is yes. Calculate the length of the line segment joining. Okay. So the formula is x1 minus x2 make it square plus by y1 minus y2 make it square. So let's force it for A. So this is square root of, we got 2 minus by minus 2 square plus by same thing, 2 minus by minus 2 square. Sorry for my battery. So this is 4 square plus 4 square. So this is square root of 16 plus 16. So for the A equal to square root of 32, or this is 5.66. Next B. Okay, let's find it. Y1, Y2, 2 minus by minus 1. It's gonna be 3, and then 0 minus 3. It's gonna be 3. Okay, so this is square root of 3 square plus 3 square. So square root of 9 plus 9. So B is square root of 18, or equal to 4.24. Next C. 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 is gonna be minus 4, and then 0 minus by minus 4 is 4. So for the C, we got square root of minus 4 square plus by 4 square. So this is 16 plus 16. So for the C equal to square root of 32, or this is 5.60. Next for D. Okay, let's make it first 8 minus by 2. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. 16 minus by 4 is 12. Okay, this is for the D. So square root of 6 square plus by 12 square. So this square root of 36 plus by 144. So for D, this square root of 180, or equal to 13.4. Next, let's find it for E. So 2 minus by minus 1. 2 minus by minus 1 is 3. Minus 3 by minus 3. 3 by minus 3 is 0. So for E, 3 square plus by 0 square, which is 9, or E is 3. Next here, 4 minus by minus 2. 4 minus by minus 2 equal to 6, and then 3 minus by 0 is 3. Okay, for E, F. Square root of 6 square plus by 3 square. So this 36 plus by 9. So this square root of 45 for the F, or equal to 6.71. Okay, there it is. We will continue for the next part. Thank you.